Hello everyone, this is Blade, and today I'm giving you a quick look at the behind the scenes assembly of my new Stirling engine. Earlier you could see some picture on the right of a magnetic LTD Stirling engine with a drone rotor as the flywheel. I found the shipping to be very expensive, as it would have more than doubled my cost, so I decided to try building one myself. I bought a strikingly beautiful rotor blade and a bullet-shaped rotor retainer. I got all the other materials from somewhere. The 3mm diameter precision rod is from an old CD-ROM. The 8mm bearings are from PC fans. The swash plate bearing is from an office drawer roller, if I remember correctly. I found a black permanent marker tube, just the right size to be a stand for the shaft. In the next video, I want to add the working piston and the linear guide to the wobbler. Stay tuned for the next episode. Don't forget to follow my channel, subscribe and check the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. If you have any questions, requests or opinions, don't hesitate to write a comment below the video. If you can, please support me with feedbacks, but if you can also help my work with donations by joining my group on YouTube or be my patron on my Patreon site. See you soon, Blade.